energy I want. Good evening. Generally we are calling it as a motivational session, but do you think after lunch it becomes a motivational session? So anyway, like it's a challenge to all of us that let's make this session a very motivating one, and I guarantee you one thing, I ensure you one thing, after this 1 hour, you will carry a lot of things for you and for your family members. What I believe, introduction is very much essential for any sort of conversation, because there is a reason behind that. Now what I do, because we are very few people and it's not possible for all of us to do the introduction one by one. So what I do, I follow this method, there is a reason behind it. I'll simply go, I'll just shake hand with you, nothing else. I'll just shake hand with you, have a good feeling towards me, and even I'll be having same good feeling for you, right? Give a man a fish, you are feeding him for a day. And teach a man to fish, you are feeding him lifetime, right? So what I'm going to do today is, I won't simply show you few videos. Definitely I'll be showing you those. But today my main intention is, I'll show you those techniques, I'll show you those processes through which you can get yourself motivated at any time. The additional lesson is, sometimes we take actions, but we don't think about the repercussions of that action. Every time the leaders जो परफेक्ट है अपने प्रोविजंस में, वो कोई भी एक्शंस जब लेते हैं, they are really concerned about the repercussions. At least वो सोचते हैं कि इसका repercussions क्या हो सकता है, then they take the action accordingly. What I mean by ethical? He knows what is good and what is bad. Sometimes we tend to take decisions, we forget that, okay, come on, I have to take decision, but we never thought of okay, what is good and what is bad. But this person always, has in his mind, yes, this is good and this is bad, keeping company's objective in mind. An integrated person is who walks the talk. जो बोल रहा है, वो उस चीज को कर रहा है. चलिए, please follow this, and you can do it on your own at your place. Now, with your eyes closed, think of a state where you are 100% confident. Closing your eyes, think about a position, think about a state जहाँ पे आप 100% confident हैं. You are 100% positive about your thinking. You are 100% enthusiastic about the surroundings, and you are confident like anything. Please करते रहिए, सोचते रहिए वो state. Then visualize कीजिए कि उसके साथ क्या एक sound attached हो रहा है. First is sound. Second is what you can feel at that moment, जहाँ पे आप confident थे. वो क्या visualize कर पा रहे हैं आप, क्या सुन पा रहे हैं, और क्या feeling आ रहा है आपके अंदर. What the feeling getting inside you. Now, the moment you have thought of, the moment it is increasing, it's multiplying, and you are at the top. आप एकदम उस समय के confidence level में top में हैं. The moment you are there, please draw a circle around you. Draw a circle. आप मनी मन आप एक circle draw कीजिए जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं circle of excellence. So gentlemen, today's discussion, my focus would be on innovation. What I want to say here is, we at Utkarsh Tubes and Pipes Limited are not only innovative in terms of products, not only innovative in terms of concepts, not only innovative in terms of strategies, but what we have tried our level best is, we try to be innovative in terms of our thinking, to fulfill the demands of the customer, to fulfill the demands of the society. What we have thought of, to fulfill these demands, we are going to separate this presentation into three things. One is, in terms of state-of-the-art infrastructure, where does Utkarsh stands? How we are fulfilling the customer demands? And third is, the most important aspect is innovation.